now we are moving with something interesting. I had really nice time with you all talking and chatting.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
Same here.
You know, there are 3 glasses of water here.
Oh,
So the name of the game is Fill the Cup.
yeah.
Okay, I'll explain you the rules and regulations of this game. So, are you all ready to play this game?
Yes, of course.
Sure.
Anything.
Okay, let's. All right. So the name of the game is Fill the Cup.
Okay.
Okay. Tinga 3 cups ha, 2 cups ani udog ha, glass ani,
Yeah.
1 glass empty ha. It's with little water, filled with little water. The middle one. So. एक लाइन तुम्हें टॉप अप करपाचे उदक घालीत रावपाचे the last person has to be very careful that glass shouldn't pour the water out like उदक भायर सरपा दिवपा उपकारना. The moment the water comes out from the glass, you lose it.
Okay, fine.
So are you all ready?
Yeah, you start.
She's very set with the cushion and all in her hand.
Yes. I need to be comfortable.
Okay, very comfortable. So your time starts now. Come on. What is happening now? So clever she is. Okay. This is the most trickiest part of this game. Drop by drop. Okay.
You throw, mummy.
No,
No, it's not. No. I think I'm gonna lose now.
It's falling down.
No.
It did.
No.
No, it's not.
Please,
It's
no.
not. It's not. My God, she's very smart. No, this is cheating. You have to throw it like that.
You should have said that before. You should have said that before. You did not. You said just pour the water.
Okay, you're
So I put
using
the
that
water.
trick. Again a drop.
This is cheating. One time
Okay.
was fine. Huh?
Okay.
Now no cheating.
The water is still not coming down, Ben.
It did.
No, Baba. From here.
No, it has to
And
pour.
now, yeah.
Now it's going to pour.
Oh.
Now
Come
what are
on.
you going to do?
Come on, mummy.
It came.
It came.
It came. She won! Anyway,
Anyway, happy for you,
I'm
happy
gonna
for
get the
you.
takeaway gift.
She
Well
deserves
played,
it.
yeah. Well played.